Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 ML350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MBTEX interior. Sunroof, coming around back. Got a trailer hitch, ML350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you memory seats, used with this wood trim, power windows. Popping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance. Just go ahead and start it up. Got navigation, a rear view backup camera, our hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This ML has 90,511 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML350, check out feldmanimports.com.